The forgotten S-Class, the W116.
ABS brakes.
Yeehaw! Okay. While it may not be the most iconic S-Class, or the sexiest S-Class, or the most memorable S-Class, or the most valuable S-Class, I think it's the most sophisticated S-Class, and that's where the 116 shines. It's sophisticated because it was the first car with ABS brakes, or an airbag, or the first Mercedes with four-wheel hydraulic suspension in the 6.9, or the first turbo diesel. And this car basically owes us nothing in terms of what it has given automotive history. So it is probably one of the most sophisticated Mercedes, if not the most sophisticated S-Class ever. And that's why I'm proud to be a 116 owner, and why I consider the 116 to be a treasure in the Mercedes Benz crown jewel heritage.